All right. My name is Samantha Hevege. So we are going to do another session for grade 8 local syllabus ICT, right? So I will share my desktop. So today we are going to start the new chapter called word processing, right? This page number from the book, I think 34. Yes, 34. Right. So we know that the word processing, this is word processing application. Most of the students, actually 100% students, right? They use this word processing application for various purposes, right? Even in a office environment, right? Office environment, many people, many workers, many officers, officers, they use, right? Any idea who are they? So what they can do, what you can do by a word processing application?
Open and save a document.
Okay.
Uh,
What are the applications you can do from word processing? What
it's
kind of things you can
a
do?
graph. No, insert a graph.
Yeah, I am asking the final product. Normally we can create a letter,
Yeah.
right? We can create a letters,
Document.
memos, right? Memos, letters, those kind of thing. Right. So word processing applications, office environment workers, right? Then what else? Letters, memos. What do you mean by memo? Any idea about the memo? What do you mean by the memo? What do you mean by the letter?
Typing something.
Excuse me, sir. Is a memo some kind of a reminder?
Very good. Yes, memo is a kind of a normally memo.
Memory.
Most of the government, right? Government officers, government office, they use memos, right? So by memo, they are giving some instructions or giving detail. For example, we say salary increment, right? Salary increment of the employee or the salary reduction, or the information about the holidays, right? So whatever the message, right? Whatever the message they want to, convey to the audience. Audience means to the all the workers who are working in the office. So those kind of messages come through the memos. We call them as the document is memos. It's a normal. It say that it's a kind of a legal document. You can say that it's a certified legal document, the memo. So everybody should adhere this memo. No one can, no one can, reject, and they have to follow this, follow the message under this memo, right? So those kind of memos are created by the word processing application. Got it, Tarul? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. So what else you can do by Microsoft, word processing application?
Can make deeds and agreements.
Sorry,
Can make deeds and agreements.
deal,
Deeds and agreements.
agreements. Yes, yes, agreements. Yes, agreements. Right. Quotations. Right. We say purchase order. Right. Purchase order, quotation, agreement. Whatever the legal documents. Right. Even nowadays the lecturers, they can, some lecturers, they create the lecture note by word and make it PDF, right? However, they use Microsoft Word or a word processing application. So most of the documents, created by the word processing application, right? So those are the benefit you will get by word processing application, right? The word processing application in a Microsoft environment, so they have Microsoft Word. We everybody use this on Microsoft Word, right? In a Linux environment or Linux or Unix environment, they have Open Office, right? But same thing you can do, but the interfaces of the application, interfaces means the where the open button, where the highlight button, those are changed, but the purpose is same purpose, right? Because different platform having different applications. In a Microsoft environment, we have Microsoft Word, right? So what they say, they are saying that you can see, these are very low level things they are mentioning, but we have to talk about in detail, right? So they say that create, open, save and close the document. That is obvious, no? Then highlight the text. That is also obvious. Insert files and object. Correct. Insert a draft. So whatever the, after you type the document, you can check your spelling mistake and grammar. Prepare list. List means you can put number, something like that, or you can put bullet, something like that. So by those components or those options, you can go with the list. So these are the very basic level they are mentioning in your book, right? So what they say, we'll see. Our teacher wanted me to prepare the invitation card for the English Day competition. I think you heard about the English Day, right? I think you have English Day. Most of the school having this English Day. Uh, yeah, I remember that when I was in grade 7. Yeah, I got. I think I got poem and poem reading and some other reading, not writing. My handwriting is careless. Poem reading and spelling or something. I got a English Day what certificate. Actually, at the moment also I have those certificate in my certificate file, grade 7 and grade 8. So I think you also having lot of certificates by English Day, right? I don't know. Anyone has? Who has certificate got by school?
We didn't have any English day because of coronavirus and
Oh,
the
sad.
bombs and yeah.
Very sad, very sad. So we are lucky than you then. Right. Okay. Our teacher wanted me to prepare invitations card for the English Day competitions. But my handwriting is not nice and clear. Right. Okay. So I have prepared the showing for the event. I try to prepare it manually, but my illustrations are not attractive. Isn't there a better way to do this? Why not? We can prepare all the document nicely, but we should have a word processing software. So what they are actually these sentences, what they are trying to say is the usage of the word processing application we already discuss, right? See now, so they are highlighting the things: newspapers, application forms, invitations, greeting cards, magazines, question papers, letters, right? So
Posters.
we talk about the agreement, right?
Posters.
Agreement, yes. Yes, posters. Sadhana godak. Yeah, we can create posters, agreement, right? Some legal documents, quotations. These are some advanced things, right? But anyway, these also there, right? Okay. So you can see how many things you can do by word processing applications, right? Right. So creating documents by word processing software is a word processing. Word processing software is application software that can create various type of documents. So remember, this application software is only for making different kind of documents. That means they have specific goals or specific task. Actually, that's the idea about the application software. So application software is only focusing on one particular goals or one set of goals, right? Not all, because you see that by word processing software you can't create a databases. So for the databases you have a software called Access. By word processing software, you can't create calculations. The calculations are done by Microsoft Excel, the we say spreadsheet, right? So that's the whole idea about the application software. So application software, when it's come to the application software, each and every application software are focusing on some specific goals only, not all. So word processing software only for creating various type of documents such as letters, question marks, question papers, newspapers, application form, invitation, greeting cards, magazines, right? Agreements, right? Legal documents, quotations, purchase order, delivery note, everything, right? There are a lot of documents you can make by word processing, but only remember, only creating the such kind of a documents, right?
So
That is
these
the meaning.
days,
Yes.
hospitals create the names and the number in the Word document.
Yeah, yeah,
This person came this time. Right?
yeah. Okay.
Sir, did
Now
you
we
get
will.
second one as homework, that workbook one?
Sorry.
Workbook. Workbook, second one, did you give it homework? Lastly, the second one, the second unit, homework, workbook.
Yeah, I remember that I have given a homework, but no one is done that. I said that if you are finishing, you WhatsApp in the same group, right? I thought that no point of giving homework to you all. I don't want to remind you. You should know that. So I think you remember I said that there are things you have to done, right, and send it to me by WhatsApp. No one done that. So I thought that you are not interested into the homework. Right.
Actually, sir, I sent it from Outlook.
I'm not aware of that.
Oh, okay.
It's all right. So, okay, now we will. So, let me know what are the applications you, what are the software version you have. Ronalia, what is the you have? I think Office 365. Oh, Microsoft Word. What's the version of you? You have either Office 365. What about the Kumud? What about the Tarul?
Yes, I have a Office 365.
Tarul, you?
Office 365.
Okay. How about the Sindhi? Sindhi, what is the Word application version? Microsoft Word? Yeah.
Office 365.
Ah, great. So everybody has the same application, so that is also that is good, right? So let me see my one. Right. So I have Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019 version, but nothing different. Same thing, right? Okay. So you can open your Word document. Everybody, open, and so see when you open the Word document, you can see the name here, right? See, document 1. So that's the name, right? So now you change this. First of all, you change this. How do you change? Now you have to do, everybody, you have to do with me.
What? Sir, how to download Office 365?
No, why you are downloading? Don't you have Office?
No, I'm not me. My friend.
Oh, okay. I think this is not the place where we have to talk on that, right? So you can ask them to call me and you can share my number, then I will help them.
Okay, sir.
Right. So here, Word. Everybody open the Word, whatever the Word file you have. Now I'm going to change this name, right? You go to File. Then if you want to save the document, you have to go, save the document, whatever you need, whatever the location you need, you have to click on Save As, right? Then after Save As, there are location where you have to select. So check whether there's an option called this PC or browse, right? Then I'll click on browse. When click on browse, I can select the location, right? So for the moment, what I can do, I will, everybody do this. You will get a document in, right? Select the documents in your computer, and here you can create a new folder. How you can create a new folder? There's an option called here, right? New folder. Click on that. Then the new folder will appear. Then you give the name my word 01, right? That's the folder name. this is not a file name, right? This is a folder. I am creating the new folder in the my documents. Okay, I have created. After that, I go inside that, right? Then I select the file name. Here you have you can see that the file name is there. Now I am giving the name of giving the name. So you can see the document docx. This is the file type of the Microsoft Word, right? We say file type or file extension, right? Or file extension. So docx indicate that this is the Word file. This is the Microsoft Word file. The file type
Sir,
denote.
what will be if we like saved on the OneDrive?
Yeah, nothing happened. So I think better don't save in the OneDrive, whatever. So you just follow me. You create a you fold down your document, my documents, right?
Done, sir.
File type or file extension. So file extension also a name as a indicate that what kind of a file you have. Got it? Right. Okay. Now I will give the file name. I say my first word, like this. I will give the name and I save it. Okay. Now you can see that I have changed that particular. Earlier, very first time it was here a document one. Now it has changed by name, which I have allocated. I have allocated the file name called my first word. My first word docs, right? So I think I can if you want to again change your document, you can go to file, save as, go to the location we have already saved. I just want to remove this one. I want only the file name would be my first word. That's it. Right. And it's the doc is the type of the file. Okay. I think now everybody clear that.
Yes, sir.
See, now my name is that now this file name is my first word. Everybody done this?
Yes.
Ronalia? Cindy?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, now you have a file. You have saved that. Right. Now we will check what to say. So common tools. What are the common tools we have? First one, the new. To open a new document. File, new. See, you can see the blank document. Right? If you want to open the blank document, you can click on file. Then there's option called blank document. Then see, there's another file open. Right? So this is the blank document. See, document 2. Earlier I got a document what? Document 1. I have renamed, right, that file. Now this is the another document where this just I open. from where I have opened, go to file, blank document, new, under new, blank document, right? So I just close this. I just show you, no need this file. I have this file already, what we have saved, right? So what is the other option? To open the save file. Okay, now what we can do, we will how do you save? See, this is the save button. Everybody know this is the save button, right? So I say if I do something, type something, I can save it. I can close this. Now I again go open the same file, right? See, it was there. So you can type some dummy text in your document what you have saved and save from this button and just close it. See whether it is there. My one is there. So this is the save option, right? Right. Next one, how you open the save documents. So nothing worry about that. You go to the location where you save, just open it. Documents, I have created a folder called my word and just double click it. So open it, right? So what is the print preview before printing? So this is very important point.
They're checking your spelling mistakes and
So where's the print option? Here, print. How you go that? File, print. So this is the print preview. Right? These are the print option where you can select the printers, whatever you have. Right? These are the printing features. Right?
so then what is the icon that shows the wrong spelling mistake?
Yeah, wait, we'll come to that. Right? So this is, I am talking about the printing options, right? Here, printing option, this print. So there are a lot of things here you have to know. Not all. Normally, these are print settings. Portrait oriented and landscape. Portrait means you are printing by this angle, vertical, right? If you say landscape, your page, so it printing in this side, right? Other way. So here you can select the whatever the paper size. Normally letter A4, right, and others other sizes. Normally we refer most of the printout come through A4, or we have in office environment we have wait. There's A3. I think this A3. Why? You know why? Normally A3 also there, but this printer won't support A3. This is laserjet printer. It won't support print in A3. If you have a printer which is support A3 document, A3 means actually A3 means what? A3 document normally you know size of the two A4s, right? A4 size. If you multiply the two, if you join the two A4s, you will get a A3, right? It's a kind of a big sheet of paper. Normally A3 papers are used for some, creating draft and all those things. A3. It's a double size of A4. A3. Okay. Right. Yeah, legal. There's a paper called legal. You should know these, only these three. These are the basically every company use. Legal paper is somewhat height than the A4. Is it A4 here? Legal paper like this. A5 means A5 equal A4 divided by 2. Got it? What does it mean? I am saying that මේවා, this is very important, right? මේවා පොත්වල නැහැ. So මේවා කොහෙවත් පොත්වල නැහැ. Right? I'm talking about, the things which is not in your book, but you should know. Very important in a practical scenario. What do you mean by A5 paper?
It's small.
Small, yes, correct. A5 paper is a half of the A4. When you divide, divide the A4 into 2, you will get A5. Got it?
Yes.
As my opinion, you should know these these four papers. You should know. I know you are aware of A4. You should aware of A3. You should aware of A5. You should aware of legal. Got it? These are the four paper sheet. Most of the companies, 99% of the companies, daily basic, they use all three, all four.
Legal is the length is like
Length is bigger than the A4.
A4.
Yes, correct. Right. This is very important, right? So you should know when you see the sheet of paper, you should understand or what kind of a paper it is. Is it a A4? Is it A3? Is it A5? Is it a legal? Right. So you should know, you should mark somewhere. So what I taught these things, very important, right? These are not in your books. Right. So what do you mean by the portrait and portrait orientation and landscape orientation?
Portrait means like straight, and landscape means like a land.
Anybody? What do you mean by portrait and what do you mean by landscape?
Landscape is some kind of a background.
No, yes. Here we are talking about the paper sizes. And this portrait means this is the default feature when you take a print out. Normally, the document, we say your document is this. This is the document. The printing is start from top to bottom. Got it? That is called portrait. This is the default way. But you can change this if you want to. Other way around, that means paper is like this. You are printing this side. Got it? Understand? This is
Yes.
called landscape. if you turn this paper, portrait, this side, it comes like this. Got it?
Yes. Sir, to remember it, we can say land. Landscape is like a land, and the portrait is like straight.
Yeah. So whatever you can make your own abbreviation. That doesn't matter. But bottom line, default printing is portrait. It is top to bottom, right? But if you put a landscape, the paper printing start from other way around. Got it? This is called landscape.
Yes.
These are the very important, very important when you take a printout. You should know these features. Very important. See, you have only the print option is there. Only that. I think they are not aware. I don't know. In bottom line, sometime they might have. We'll see that. All right. So these options. So these are very easy. Undo, copy, paste. I think I don't want to make. I don't want to, say this. See, undo. Undo. Undo means see. Undo. Right. But see, if you are save, can you undo? See,
No.
now I am typing. Right. But I didn't save. But I want to undo. Can I do it? Yes, I
Yes.
can do it.
If you
See,
did save, you can do undo.
now if you save, you say now I am. If you save, the undo is not happening because after save, no one can undo. It's the last final document at the moment. See, I didn't do any undo. I didn't do save. Now I am going to save. Can I undo? No, I save. I didn't save. Now save. See what? I'll save this document. What's that? Undo is again working. Check that. Did you notice that? What has happened?
Yeah. When you save it, that undo is still happen. A word is going on.
See, now no undo option. See, because it's already saved. We'll say now. Now undo is enabled. I think you also can check because after save also my undo option is working. I think it's a new feature. Check whether it is working. What I am saying, you do some thing. What I am doing like this. Do some dummy text. Add some dummy text. Save it and make the undo. My one is working. What about you? Can you give me the update? Ronalia?
So my one is also deleting.
Yes, I think everybody should be deleted.
My one also.
Yes, right. That means what? So what's the point here? Point is after you save, until you close and reopen it, you are able to what? You are able to do undo. Got it?
Yes.
You are able to do undo. See, now still the undo option is active, right? Undo option is active now. So this is undo typing, right? See, it's active. After save also it's active, right? See, now redo also there. See, redo. Undo, opposite of undo is redo. But now you say I am here. I'll stop here. I'll put some full stop. Now my last added one is full stop. Okay. Now I save it. Still undo is available. I will close this. Now I will reopen it. See what is happened to my undo. Can I do it now? You have to check this. You check. You save document. You save the document. Close it. Again reopen it. Check whether the undo option is available or not. My one is not available.
My
That
one is
means what?
also not available.
Yeah,
My
that
one
means
is not available.
yes, that means undo option is now not available because at the moment my document updated is after the I can't, right? After entering you can edit, that doesn't matter. But when I save and close it, I open it, very first time you can see my undo option is not available. But after I enter my I enter my cursor, right, type something, now again I am able to do this. But you can see from here onwards I can't undo because it's already saved at that point. But if I enter here, edit, then again I can delete like this, right? So this is, I think, nice feature at the moment in Excel Word document, right? Save, close it.
Sir, can we delete that file?
Yeah, you can delete, doesn't matter. Now my undo or redo nothing is available, but if I click enter, do something, enter something, now again I will be able to undo and I will be able to edit. So edit function is anything, anywhere I can use edit. Document edition, edit. So editing, updating is same thing, right? Normally editing, updating, altering, there are a lot of names we say that. Edit, update, alter. These are same meaning, right? So amending means what? Adding, right? So adding also a kind of editor. Ne? You are removing the files, removing the documents, text and all, that also kind of a update, right? Edit. You are deleting some of the text also, it's a kind of edit, right? These all are, interrelated words, right? Right. Cut and paste, right? So where the cut and paste is there, when you select it, see, you will see cut. Remove the selection and put it the clipboard, and so you can paste it somewhere else. So what do you mean by the clipboard? So good point. Clipboard means what? Clipboard is what? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by the clipboard?
You hang some files on it, clips and files on it.
Yeah. Hello. What do you mean by the clipboard?
You're hanging some deeds and some files on that.
Yes, no, clipboard means it's a temporary location in that particular application where you can save whatever the things you are copied, right? So here you are cut something, no? Cut means you are taking off, no? You are cut something and put it to the clipboard. Clipboard means it's a temporary location, right? Temporary location where you can copy on that clipboard. After that, from the clipboard, you are again paste it to somewhere you need it. Got it? Understand? So every application clipboard option is there. Otherwise, whatever you are cut, whatever you are copy, where so the application should keep that particular data somewhere else. You know, till you are going to paste somewhere. Got it?
Yes.
So that's the idea about the clipboard. So not only the Word application, Excel, PowerPoint, whatever the Office application, and even the Photoshop, Dreamweaver, whatever the some even whatever sophisticated or whatever big application, this clipboard function will be there. This is come as a inbuilt function. Got it? Right. Now you can here what I am going to do is I will highlight something, right? There's option called cut. When you click on cut, okay, it has been removed from the document you are editing, and it has been copied to the clipboard for the temporary location, and until you go somewhere and paste it, right? Now from the clipboard you will copy back to the document. Got it? Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Ronalia, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are very simple things, right? So
Sir,
very, yes.
in the last, we can we do the second workbook work?
Yeah, I will do it. Don't worry. So let me finish this first. Right. Then this is a spelling mistake. Spelling check, right? So to check spellings and grammar in the word or the sentence, right? So we will check that option also. So I think this is we have put some dummy data, right? Now we'll check some sentence, right? This is our class, our ICT class, right? Right. So you try with some text with the spelling mistake. You can deliberately do some spelling mistake, right? And check whether the spelling mistake is checked or not. So there's option called C. Where is that? Should be in spelling mistake. It should be in the paragraph or font. We look at view, review. Yes, see, it is under review. So okay, let me teach this one. You know, this every this word or word application nowadays we say that this is a one ribbon, right? So these are what are these? These are menus, right? So this is file menu, right? Home menu, insert menu, right? I think Cindy has disconnected.
Yeah, I just admit her.
Okay, right. I think now Cindy, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Right. So what I am telling, see this every this one, right? So this is right. This home, insert, draw, design, layout, reference, mailing. These are what? These are menus, right? So under menu, what we have normally under menu, we say that ribbon, ribbon, ribbon is there. So I will tell some of the ribbon, right? We say file, no, sorry, home ribbon. See, we have the clipboard ribbon. So this is the one ribbon, right? This is the one ribbon, right? So this is another font ribbon. When you say the font ribbon, so every feature is there related to the font. For example, bold, italic, underline, right? This is this text color, right? So these are some sizes, right? So this dividing, right? Multiplying, everything is there, right? So capital, simple, right? So this is under font. Then next ribbon would be the paragraph. Under paragraph, you have a this what we have a left align, middle align, center line, right align. What else? So these are justified, and these are the bullets, numbers, right? So these features, right? And paint option, the color paint option, that is under paragraph. And next one we have a styles, that is also kind of a ribbon. So this is right. This is common to all the Office packages. Got it? Not only the Word application. Yeah, when it's come to the Excel spreadsheet application, when it's come to the PowerPoint presentation application, when it's come to the database, for example, Access, all are having this ribbon feature in Office 365, right? Right.
Sir,
Yes.
is there window 11?
Uh, we didn't hear so far, but we'll say that. What did you heard?
Yeah, they are giving a like a trial something.
Good, good. Then we have to put and try. Right. So when you so you have to, there's an option called review, right? This is not the option. This is the menu. Under menu, review menu, you can click this spelling and grammar. So see, when you click spelling and grammar, it shows that what suggestion, computer, processor, right? So I deliberately, type wrong sentence, I wrong text. So I click this. It has been added. And data. Got it? I have done. Now I have no spelling mistakes so far. Did you, as I said, did you done this?
Yeah.
Yep, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the shortcut? When you click something, uh, we say again, highlight H-I-L-I-A-H-T something. If you press the keyboard F7, the F7 key refers to the spelling and grammar.
Excuse me, sir. My one doesn't have a spelling and grammar one. Spell
You should
check one.
have. You click on review.
Yeah, I click on review.
Then you, if you don't have, just press F7 keyboard function F7. From the keyboard, you can press the function F7. So this refers to, in the Word application, this is the shortcut of the spelling and grammar. Right?
Okay, sir.
Right. So when you press that F7 button, you will get this. Right. Right. Tarul, did you check the F7 icon? I mean the keyboard button. Tarul?
Sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
Don't you have a keyboard?
I have. Oh, yeah. I have 7.
Yeah, you just press F7. Then it comes this proofing. Proofing means spelling and grammar. Okay. Right.
Sir, I have F7.
Okay.
It goes to the beacon.
What?
Yeah, I have a F1, F2,
Oh,
F3, F4, F5, F6,
right.
F7, F8, F9, F10 like that.
Okay.
When I press F7,
Okay.
it goes to the speaker, that lower level speaker. Yeah, like.
No, you have to open the Word document
Yeah,
and
I
you have to
open the
you have to
Word document.
you have to keep your cursor on that particular document and then
Yeah,
click the F7.
7. Let's see. No. Mm. Okay.
Yeah, because you have to
Can
open it.
find similar words.
Yes, that's all right. Okay, next one we will do this one. This is very easy, right? See, this is a font. We have the font color. We have three things, right? What? Font style, font type, right? Font type, font type. Then next one, what? Font sizes, right? Font sizes, next one, font style, right? Font style. Those are the three things you will get it.
Sir, font color?
Yes. ඒවත් තියෙනවා. right? එතකොට අපිට ඔය ඊට පස්සේ තියෙනවා ඔයාගේ ටෙක්ස්ට් වල මේ තියෙන මේව නම් දන්නවනේ. These things you should know. Bold, right? Bold, italic and underline. Underline means whatever the word you highlight it, when you press it, it will underline it. So italic means it's a the kind of a text style. Bold means whatever the text, it will be printed as a bold, right? Right. So these are very basic things, I think, as you know, right? I think we have done in grade 7 also. So the same thing repeated to grade 8, right? Right. So we will check some of the things. So here, right? So you can, if I want to bold this, I can bold it, italic and underline. So you can just try. So whatever, so best thing is, you can get a newspaper, right? Sunday Observer or something newspaper in your home. Take a paragraph, one paragraph or one big paragraph. Take your time, like 15 minutes, right? Type that paragraph what you like. After that, you save, right? After saving, you can try these things, right? You try these things by your own. So that will be the better learning curve to you all, right? So we are here to highlight the options and all. So you have to try your own. Then only you will learn, right? So this is not like, I am doing everything and not like that. So these practicals, definitely you have to do it your own, right? You have to do it your own. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So today, see, today we will wind up the class. Ronalia, I think how many days we have finished for this month? How many classes we have finished so far for this month? 3 or 4?
I think four, sir.
I think for sir.
Right.
We
Okay.
have done all the classes.
Okay. Right. Right. So okay. So next week we will continue this. But I urge you to, right? I urge you to. So this is the exercise, right? So this I will give a small exercise, right? I will give the small exercise. So you take a newspaper, whatever you like, and you select the paragraph, whatever you like, right? Paragraph, and you write. You take a Word document, right? You type, right? Right. Actually, keep better to have one sheet of paper, one A4 sheet is more than enough,
Sir.
right? Wait. Right. After that, you check the options. Whatever we have done so far, you check the option and do it. This is like a trial, right? Do it, right? And you make it bold, make it italic, right? You can change the size, change the font color, and you see the difference. Then you will feel, okay, these are the options. If you have a printer, as I said, you take a printout. So I said the portrait
Can
orientation.
we have to add a picture also?
Yeah. You can do whatever. So if you have a printer attached to your computer, take the portrait. So make the portrait, take a printout, and make a landscape and take a printout and see the difference. See the difference, right? So that's how you have to learn. There is no other way to learn. Best way to learn, right? So you do it your own. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then you will be familiar. You will be familiar in these options. Right. Okay. So today we will wind up the class. Right. Uh, Today we will wind up the class. So by next week onwards, we will start.
Ready?